Welcome to your blank canvas. This is where you can dream, design, and define what home means to you. As you explore each space, imagine the possibilities. Picture your favorite pieces, your personal style, your life unfolding room by room. From an empty frame to a fully furnished vision, this is where memories with your friends and family can begin. The primary suite is your personal retreat. Private, peaceful, and full of potential. Enjoy the spa-inspired bathroom with sleek, modern finishes. Imagine all the fun you will have in your upstairs game room / living area, along with 3 bedrooms and bathroom. You don't have to dream anymore for that perfect backyard. Rain or shine, this patio's got you covered. Call me today for a private showing.